You see this phantom wallet right here? $6.8 million all made from launching meme coins on Solana. Not by hype, not by trading, just by using a process that works over and over again. Stick around, I'll walk you through exactly how I pulled it all off. Now, I used to be a trading addict. I used to fucking burn all my money every single day buying these shit coins. And every single time I bought inside a meme coin, guess what happened? I got completely dumped on right after I bought in, just like this coin right here. I would buy here, 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 and here, and still lose all my money because the coin was manipulated. Now, that's exactly when I decided to stop trading and to switch to the dark side, and that's when I realized the people making money are not chasing the hype, they're actually creating it, which means they are launching their own coins. That's the brutal reality of meme coins. If you launch them, you will become way more profitable than trading them. That's a fact. Because all you have to do is just create a meme coin, which is completely free by the way. You wait for buyers and then you dump it and you make some bread. It's simple as that. Obviously, there is a couple steps you have to follow, and that's exactly why I am making this video, because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch, create, and then dump your very first Solana meme coin on the blockchain and potentially turn $0 into like 1k, and just repeat this whole process over and over again. Keep watching, bro. This is going to be insane. And by the way, bro, everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. None of this is financial advice. So please, bro, it's all fake. Dior cap! Now, before we head to creating the meme coin, I want to make something clear. Pump.Fun does not work anymore, bro. It's too crowded now. Thousands of coins go live daily, and that's exactly why I stopped launching here, because most coins die before they get even noticed. And on top of that, when you launch a meme coin here, as you guys know, your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to graduate onto the Raydium DEX. That takes too much luck, too much time, and unless you have a really good narrative, you won't make any money. That's a fact, bro, and that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because on this website, bro, it's completely different and it's way better and way more profitable than Pump.Fun, and that's create tokens.io. Now, on this platform, bro, all your coins launches directly to Raydium, which will be immediately migrated to the Raydium DEX, and it will be viewed by tens and thousands of people fucking live. You keep full control of your liquidity, which means you own the coin, it's all yours, it's all your profits, and obviously you get a shit ton of exposure because it goes directly to Raydium. So that's why a bunch of people are coming to this platform to launch meme coins. Now, here's the whole step-by-step process on create tokens.io. You have two different ways to launch, and it's up to you to choose one. The first way to launch is to create a meme coin from scratch right here. So first of all, you have to find a good narrative. So go on X and look for something trending. I have some friends that go on Google and then they write in news and they make coins on certain articles. That's good. But yeah, now I'm gonna look for a narrative like this. This is like a funny dog, nervous, right? That's good. Trump signed bill to end the government shutdown. That's a really good narrative, bro. 43 minutes ago, that's really fucking good. And yeah, bro, you get the gist. Once you have a good narrative, a good idea, a good meme, come back to create tokens.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol for your meme coin, then click on right here to add your meme coin logo. So just take a screenshot of something, just put it right here, and just like that, bro, after these steps, your coin is custom created live right now. But the second method, bro, you have to trust me right here. It's my favorite method and it's the most profitable by far, and that's by copying trending coins. That already works on Pump.Fun. So all these coins right here are already trending on Pump.Fun. You just have to copy one from here and launch it directly and instantly to Raydium. And because all these coins already have traffic and attention into them, you get instant buyers and faster profits. That's the beauty of copying coins, because they already work, bro. Alright, anyways, let's stop fucking yapping. Let's stop fucking explaining. Let's make it real. I'm going to launch a coin right now and we will see how how much we make after we dump it. So click on the refresh list, and right before, bro, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, and then let's look for a coin to copy. I think I'm going to go with the Pump.Fun because it looks kind of decent. It has a Telegram, a X, and it last by 5 seconds ago. So click on create coin. After that, ignore the block from Phantom, click on proceed anyways, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a fucking second. Let's see, 3, 2, 1, boom. And boom. Before we click on create liquidity pool, let's go on SoulScan to see if it's live. Boom, it's on the Solana blockchain, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this page is super straightforward. We're adding liquidity so that people can buy and sell our coin directly on Raydium the second we create the liquidity pool. Now there's 2 easy steps. First is for the token B. Make sure you tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens, right? 900 million coins into the pool right under 40 token B. This is basically your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing that soul. It's locked in the pool to open the entire market. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and when you remove the liquidity later, that same soul that you put right here will go right back into your wallet. That's why we have completely nothing to lose. I'm gonna put a quick 0.35 soul, just a bit more than the minimum to be safe, and then click on create pool, and after that click on confirm. When that is done, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the Pump.Fun is now fucking live. Our profits are at $0 though, but if you click on the refresh button to check your all-time profits, now we're up $153, which is absolutely fucking insane. Yeah, it's not bad, bro, because we're now getting buyers on the migrate section. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on other platforms like Axum by copy pasting the token address. It's all up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin. And now the coin is live. Oh my god, we're getting buyers, bro. We are up like a couple $100 already. Oh my god, people are selling though. That's really bad. I hope it goes back up. We're at a 1.5k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. Things are looking kind of decent. Retracements are normal, but boom, it is going to go back up. Let's go, because people are going to start seeing the coin on Memescope, and they are going to start deving. Buying, not deving. Like, think about it, bro. If 10,000 people are watching this coin right now on Memescope, if only like 100, if only 20 people buy, bro, we're still profiting. That's the beauty of deving coins, and that's why I despise trading and I only dev. Okay, we're getting buys. Let's go. $75. One more big buy to end the tone. Come on, one more big buy, and I am going to be fucking happy. Come on, no, bro. I just want one big buy, bro. Come on, $20. Oh shit, bro. Come on, bro. We need a fucking comeback. Pump. Okay, guys, I'm going to be right back. Okay, enjoy the show. Okay guys, I am back. We just hit 3.4k in market cap and 1.6k in liquidity. I think it's gonna go higher. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io. And obviously it is protocol. Click on refresh to check your profits. And as you guys can see, wow, we are up $1.8 thousand with a 3.4k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100% if you want to. I'm personally gonna cash out all, then click on remove the money, then let's see what happens. And as you guys can see, we are gonna receive 12 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, boom, $1.8 thousand straight inside my Phantom Wallet, bro. You guys gotta tap in. If you have any questions, bro, come and follow me on JP Flips on X or Jay.crypto, bro. DM me there. I respond to everybody.